Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today I would like to show you the updates for JUP, USDT trading pair with markets America said. Initiation accumulation pump model still in play. Let's dive in, guys. I highly recommend you go to Jupiter Twitter, find this post about Jupiter DAO, the updates, what they post, what they explain it here, and the next moment they post today. So they introduced the radar. So it's timely alerts from dApps you love. So highly recommend you double check. Basically, it's not affect the price at all, absolutely. So here, this is an announcement like few hours. It's like 3%. So it's not a big deal. That's why, guys, once again, the fundamental and all of this stuff, you know, at this cycle absolutely doesn't play out. So the tokens pump just like on mantra without any reason, just because of market makers, and then dump like crazy. And the project can build whatever they want, but it's not affect the price, because the market makers, the centralized exchanges, they will deliver the price to the right moment, to the right target in the right time, because of funds probably tell them. So guys, if you're a fan of Jupiter, if you're a fan of Solana, I think the Jupiter will perform pretty good and can hit, but it's not a guarantee, new all-time high. It's possible when the Sol and the Sol ecosystem and the meme coin sector on Sol start perform again. The people will gamble again and swap the tokens using the Jupiter. And Jupiter, I guess, will start some marketing campaign. The Solana ecosystem will hype, and everybody talk about a Solana to the moon, Solana to 1K, Solana it's Ethereum killer, and all of this stuff, guys. And Jupiter will perform. So you remember the this one, the first video about Jupiter, after listening, it was February 2024. I marked the zone of interest. That time, when we trade in February 24, it was like 60 cents. People laughing, so it's impossible to see the Jupiter at 34, 35 cents. It's impossible. When we pumped to $2, everybody laughing. So no, you're crazy. We never seen the Jupiter again under $1. Here we go again, guys. So we dropped to zone of interest. Why it happened? Because no matter what go around the crypto space, the market maker use the bots, use the soft, and they will deliver the price to the zone of interest, to the zone of accumulation again and again and again. If the market maker still have an interest right in this token, first zone of interest or the second one, they will deliver the price to new all-time high or the next zone. So we walk from zone to zone, so from level to level, because everything what we see on charts is just algorithm. And the news, it just price it in. That's why buy the rumor, sell the fact. That's the point. So everything what's happened now recently, it's priced in. Good news and the bad news. Now the bad news price it in, but at the same time the good news, when we'll start recover back, it will be the good news price it in. Around here, I guess, around here at $2, we'll see some hype news, some amazing partnership, amazing upgrades, some data, some statistic about how cool it is, the Jupiter. So this is amazing, the brilliant platform, the DAX on the Sol. But guys, be careful and just analyze the market without any emotion. Don't fall in love in any talking, just trade an asset. So this is a simple asset, nothing more, nothing special. So at the end, we are here for the money, for USD. But of course, guys, it's just my humble opinion about this token or any other one. Next zone of interest is here. So it's 34, 58, 27, 13. Can we drop it lower? Yes, of course. Next step, if we not hold it, it's 16. It's 1652, 1184. So this is the next zone of interest. Maybe, just personal thoughts, at 16 and 11, it's like 12 cents. Maybe I will be ready to buy Jupiter. Yes, I'm not sure we will drop that low, but it's possible during the next 2 months. I truly believe in new all-time high for BTC. I truly believe we will see some kind of like altcoin season, the major one, not like a bounce and drop. No, the major one, some few months with good performance. I believe in it because anyway, one day BTC dominance will drop under 60%. One day it will drop under 55%, I guess. And that time the alts will perform. That's why build a plan when to in, when to out for any token. So for Jupiter, logical entries here, 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 here. Invalidation if we drop under 3 cents. Imagine the fear on the market if the Jupiter will drop under 3 cents. What is good, what is bad was my customer says. So we're just in the middle. On the weekly, this is not a crazy accumulation zone. It's kind of bad. Crazy accumulation zone can be at the green block in the last stage, like 16 and 12 cents. I hope we will not see that targets because just the logic. Imagine if the project like JUP, like Jupiter, will drop from 38 to 12 cents. What will happen with other tokens? His craziness. Direction, no accumulation yet. On a weekly I use for investments. This is a capitulation. Technically it's good time for to buy the token, so it's okay. So this is definitely not a distribution, guys. So also don't be trapped with the fear of investment. If you believe, we can't know which one token is a scam, which one is not. We saw the ZK Polyhedra, we saw the OM. We can't know, we can take a risk or not. But now based on a risk ratio, if you believe in JUP, we around the zone of interest with the capitulation zone on the market mood indicator on the weekly. So technically it's good time to buy. Money power, no money inflow into Jupiter on the weekly. It's kind of bad. Trade on. No data, no signals to sell or buy. Last signal to buy was here, 2-1, around the first zone of interest. Buy, sell, buy back, drop. No main signal again to buy. So 1, 2. Take profit, sell, 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 sell. 1, 2, sell, nothing, no. So I'll recommend you use this set to track main data. So weekly, no data for take profit. Daily, guys. Buy line for Jupiter now, it's equal lows around 31 cents. Fundamental value 23.21. 12-hour time frame looks kind of better. 33.56. Fundamental value 25.26. So just in case, here was the time to buy. So we build a logic when to in, when to out. Like conclusion, guys, I hope we will drop again to 26.34. This range, sweep liquidity of April 25, sweep liquidity, bounce and go to this zone will be not a mistake to fix some profit. So it's usually work like this one. So I recommend you go and check the educational video how to work with indentation accumulation pump model. So we build a logic, and with news, with this DAO government, without with marketing or without, we will hit the right target in the right moment. So guys, build a plan and follow your plan. If you wait these zones, like I do, you can skip this token at this current moment and not waste your stable coins. Guys, I hope you like this video. In education purpose, I highly recommend you go and check the first video about Jupiter a year ago. If you like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.